at the new Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. shirt. Okay. It's Friday 13th, 2026. I'm at Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. And this little girl here is sick today. And we did a sick day here at the dealership with Daddy. So my baby girl wasn't feeling well today, so I had to go and pick her up from school. So since I picked her up early, I figured why not do some dad stuff, hang out with Dad. We are at Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. We're gonna look at some of these brand new 2026 Harley-Davidsons. Ready to go look at some brand new Harley-Davidsons, baby? You say you at? All right, let's go. All right. That Mystic Ship. CVOs. All right. You see anything you like? What you like, baby? You like the blue one? All right, let's see if they got any other colors. You like the colors? You like this? You like this green one over here? Look at the green one. You like that one? It's a fat boy. All right, so walk through looking at stuff, see what they got. Let me see what they got on this side. All right. Yeah, doing well. How's everything? All right. How's everything, sir? Doing well, doing exceptionally well. So, baby wasn't feeling well today, so I had to go pick up early from school. So I was like, we will go and look at some brand new Harley-Davidson.
You okay? You okay now? He was just tired of people in school. Lunch was nasty.
Yeah, probably so. What you see? Ooh, look at that one. Like that orange one? Mr. Adams from Zippers has an orange bike like this. What you got? What you like? You like that one? Walk through and point at it. You like that one? You like the glittery one? Like the gold one? How about the gold one? You like that glitter? Okay, appreciate it, thank you. Ah, yeah. We can go and look at some motor clothes. See if they got something that fits you, okay? See if they got any little Harley shirts. Yeah. That made her giggle. So hopefully we can find something on the motor clothes side for the baby. Hey, how you doing, Miss Wanda? Happy New Year. How you feeling?
My back is still hurting.
All right, I understand.
Other than that, I'm fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
No problem.
missing my dog.
Oh yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Especially been with you for a long time.
15 years.
That's a long time.
Yes.
That's a long time.
I used to tell people she was my daughter.
Yeah. This is my daughter.
How you doing?
Say thank you. So I'm
Look at
doing
that
well.
Smile.
So
Look at that smile.
look how tall you are. Wow, I ain't never known you be this tall. So yeah, she wasn't feeling well today, so I had to go and pick up early. So
Oh.
we're doing dad stuff. Yeah. Because other than
that smile.
she'll be home watching something on TV. Yeah, Looney Tunes. Yeah.
I think she likes this better.
Right.
She's a dad and sees everything else.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah, I used to have a babysitting service, so I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said it's a Harley-Davidson AKA shirt? Yeah. Where? Which one? Show it to me. Go and show it to me. Go and get it. Go and point it to me. What kind of shirt is this?
AKA.
It's an AKA shirt?
Yeah.
One mom makes an AKA shirt. Oh, look at you. Look at that helmet. You like that one? So, like I said, today it was a sick day. Just came in, looked around, seen what's what. Oh, that's hard. That's a new one. Okay. Okay, I can appreciate that. How you doing there, son?
How you doing?
You got the new shirt with the African American Museum on the back of it.
What?
And that thing looking kind of thick too, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't see that too often.
Yeah, nah, yeah. Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. Okay. They got that new Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. Back design. It's pretty decent. All right, I can dig it. Nah, she wants to lay all out. Girl, get up. So one of the things I got to do while I'm here is pick up my application for the Fort Washington Harley Owners Group. So let's go back here to the hall room. Here we go. Let's see what I get here. Chapter 4456. Let me see the enrollment form and release. I guess that's it. Instant report, don't need that. All right, I guess that's it. And these are the members of the group. Let's go and fill out this application. So, I had to pick up my baby girl today. All right.
Go give me something to eat, Chris.
Yes, sir. All right.
Are you doing your thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, yeah, it's Friday the 13th, 2026. I am at Harley-Davidson of Washington, D.C. in Fort Washington, Maryland. And this little girl is sick today. So instead of going home, we're doing daddy things. You having fun with daddy? Huh? What? You want a pork chip? What you want with that? You don't know what that is. What's going on? What's going on? Look at here. You know when you're in places, you know people, you meet people, you see people. What's going on?
What's up? You recording?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that? Hold on. Cover that up, man.
Yeah, you gotta cover that up.
Yeah,
all
what's
right.
What's happening?
Man, you know
Bill
what I'm
Ryan
talking
repeat.
about? Yes, sir.
Country club.
You
What's
see the
going
country
on?
club? What's going on with you, man? You all
Oh
right?
man, I can't complain, bro.
All right. So my baby had a sick day today, so I went ahead and brought her in to hang around and stuff and do dad stuff.
Okay, cool.
So, hey, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Bill Ryan Repeat. I'm here with Country Club here.
What's going on? Country club. What's happening, baby?
Hey, so, and I got my baby right here. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of Bill Ryan Repeat. It's February Friday the 13th, 2026. See you on the next one.